Now, I want to ask a question. Who invented the words truth and who invented the words lie? I mean, it all becomes a loop argument in a debate. So, who is the originator of the word truth to know what truth means and that truth can't be changed or embellished over time for a purpose? And the same thing with what is a lie? Because, well, we could do the same thing with the wording death and life, so you can reverse the words. It's like, who created these words of what death is and what life is? So with the arguments of life being a truth and death being a lie, I mean, because the thing is, I know, like, when a goldfish floats, the goldfish is no longer living. That's where it ends for me, as far as I'm concerned. But yet, then there's some who want to take it into an everlasting realm. Instead of just saying, well, the planet Earth is our spaceship that we're flying around on, and that we come from the planet Earth because that makes the most sense because of the fact that's what we're living on. They want to take it further and say, well, there's some great big humanoid type creature that's out there batting around a whole bunch of planetary balls out in space that are misshapen and oblong throughout the universe. And, well, gosh, now we've kind of embellished the story again, haven't we? I mean, so is storytelling a lie? I mean, so we can't tell stories anymore of of how we think something took place. I mean, because what I see a lot of science, well, science has this thing of if they repeat experiments, then it becomes a fact. If the same thing happens, then it becomes a fact. Related to things that just happen naturally. Well, how do you prove? I want to know, how do you prove what is natural? How do scientists prove something? What is the specifications of what natural is? I mean, if it happens more than once, then it becomes a fact. I mean, we see this with repetition. We see this with trends and lies within media. I mean, that's a fact. I mean, we all know that's a fact, that media is lying its ass off for some reason because they want the money. It's about the money.